Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, another trading session. We'll be starting slowly, looking into some levels, going maybe into some potential scalps. As I saw since 5 hours ago, I don't know, I didn't had a very good sleep, but uh, there are some clear setups that I can easily see right now. Already we have some setups running. We'll be starting slowly, making a coffee. Let's take care of sharing because sharing it's caring. It's really important to get more people, discuss more, have more ideas because the more eyes we have on the charts and the more ideas that we can get, the better. Yeah. All right. Seems like everything is fine, audio-wise and so on. I wanted to be sure that there are no issues. Feel free to uh, retweet either mine, guys, or Crypto Traders Arena will post one. PJ will post, will retweet. Yeah, up to you. It's the same stuff. We'll get in the setups that we already have. Hey, Sebastian. Is the trade from it was posted yesterday on VIP. I know there are two Sebastians. Are you the Sebastian from VIP? Well, if it's above my entry, why I should enter here? I have a long from here. Yeah, you're from VIP, so hey, Sebastian. Um, we'll do a little overview of the trades that we have running. Of the trades that I have running, I'm still in Bitcoin long. I still on Bitcoin long from here. I have multiple accounts. I'm not I'm not going to close anything right now. We are in the bull market phase, guys. Yeah, 99, 900. This long here, I still have it. And man, I made some insane profits with this one because I had a really tight stop loss. It's this trade still active. Uh, I'll do a little overview of what's running. So I still have this one running. I have this one running too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. This was a trade posted yesterday on VIP. We discussed about it. Then, then Ethereum wise, let's go on Ethereum. I had a long here. I'm still long from this one. And to be honest, guys, to be honest, I didn't took any partial from this long here. And I don't intend to take a partial too soon. Yeah. So this is the long from 3500. And I have one more long from PJ. This is the long from this area. And I have one more long from PJ, which is from 3.3128 or something. It was a W. Multiple accounts. What that means? Well, is Stefan crazy? Is Paul crazy? Well, guys, if you know what's coming in the market in the upcoming months, uh, I'd be really fine taking a stop loss at break even of all the trades, getting a nasty week, longing here, and not closing my long until 7,000. Yeah, 7,000. You hear it well. Yeah, and have something like this. I would be really okay. If you think that stuff is impossible, well, it's up to you. I can't help, but my plan is to trail the shit out of the trades. That's my plan, guys. And I know some people. I made a plan. I said 3 months ago that I'm making a nice plan. I made a nice plan. Low position size, little position size, but on each big dump, I longed. I have about 61 longs, no liquidation, and all of them are in profits. All of them. Here I longed, here. And now I'm just relaxing. If we get another week like this, I will long again around here at 3,700. We'll see. Morning, good morning, good morning. Man, nice. 40 people up here. Thank you very much for retweeting, guys, for jumping up. And let's get some setups. Mm, So if you ask me, still okay to enter Ethereum now? Not with this setup, but if you would have paid attention with from what PJ posted, uh, go on 15 minutes. This is something else. Yeah, it's my setup that I took. But you can see that you have the Holy Grail indicator. Yeah. And this little indicator, we have sort of a bull flag here. Maybe if you want to wait a little bit more, I don't know if it's a good idea, but you can see the previous entry on the TAG has been here. So you can take the TAG like this. If you want to be safer, you can even put the stop loss a bit lower. As for the target, you can see we have a bot setup. Bot, it's an AB equals CD. So two, two, two. And the target is the red line. And you will have a 2.33 R, which is not great, not terrible. You can go, I have a 5 R here on the long, which that will be my first take profit on this big long from the bottom. So you can take a long here. The issue that I have with these high time frames is that tomorrow we have OMC and it can get nasty. Yeah, for the stop losses. But if you follow your plan and you know how to get risk free, how to position yourself accordingly, how to do all those things, I think you can get in a really nice position and not care about what will happen tomorrow and actually make some room for new positions. I think you can be in a really good position. Man, I see a long that I parcel USDT. What is this one doing? Oh wow. Well, because I was seeing it has a nice average opening 38. Oh, this is what I'm speaking about. So getting this kind of longs 38. It took something like this. I took this W here. And you can get really nice trades. We'll get into Bitcoin dominance total tree. We'll hunt some setups. I'll take the request slowly. I made already a coffee, drinking it. Okay, good morning, Tolga. Good morning. So, answering the question, is it late to enter Ethereum? No, it's not late, but it's a different setup. Next stuff. Can we check Aave? Aave, it's too strong. That one, it's good to chase, but let's see daily. Let's see daily, actually. Yeah, well, daily most likely it wants a swing failure of the lows here. Let's go on 1 hour. Yeah, I will try to long sort of a power of 3 here, a manipulation. You can see lots of liquidity to the downside. To the upside, they are sweeping liquidity continuously. That might be a hint that we are having a distribution wyckoff here in course on low time frame, 15 minutes. And that might send us to wyckoff check this area. 0.5 fib. or yeah, pump chaser zone here. So we might see a retracement on AVE around here, and then we reclaim and go higher this area. It's not a good sign when the price is trying to make higher highs, but it's constantly failing to hold higher highs. Yeah, that's not a good sign. That's not something that you want to see. So lower, if you ask me about AVE. May check FTM. Let's check FTM. Head along from here. Yeah, maybe around here, some preliminary support. We have a W. All right, some equal lows here at 0.5 fib. If I'm looking at it better, looks like a range. Because look at the deviation, we deviate back in the range. So that would tell me that we might get a retracement a little bit deeper. Maybe this area. Why I'm deleting 61.8? Sorry. So I would be looking to long maybe a swing failure of this equal lows in the 61.8. Something like this. Target the highs again. Maybe I wait for a reclaim for a juicy W, something like that. At a 61.8 and then some sort of consolidation and higher. That would be a good plan. Let's put an alert here. All right. Well, there you go. We get ideas. Cake. Let's see. Cake. If you don't tell me the time frame, I will check it by myself. So we had a double there in LJ. Violated the FEG. This W wasn't retested in the POC. I know it might be scary for some people, but let's see. This fib, it's a little bit too high. Yeah, the original one falls exactly in the 61.8. Let's go daily. I don't know, guys. I would like alt to pump. I don't have in my plan something that says they will pump tomorrow or by the end of tomorrow or stuff like that, because I saw a lot of people really uh, eager for me to tell them periods. It will pump tomorrow at 12:38. They want me to tell them that the top it's in 2025 May or stuff like that. No, guys, just play level by level. I don't care when it tops, when it bottoms, when it does anything. I play my setups. It's absolutely irrelevant for me to think when it will top or when it will bottom. Well, thinking of a range here, intermediate range. Ooh, ooh, that's nasty of a confluence. Let's see 1.61. That's nasty of a confluence. Yeah, it will dump most likely here. So I would take a swing failure of this low in the 61.8. Let's put an alert. Target, first time we target here TP1 at POC and at value area high, sorry, not POC. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, Another one. All right. Check Pepe. Man, I hate Pepe and I hate XRP. I don't have anything personal with them, but they are consolidating. You cannot do anything. I said about Pepe since 13 November and we are on 13 December. After a rapid growth like this, usually you can see, boom, we displaced the previous range, the previous range here. Next, then base again, next, then base again. Why do you want to touch something like this? And we are at range highs. Most likely it will dump around here, where you would like to buy at 1.7. So 40%, 50% dump. Yeah, 27%. I'm not that. It can do another swing failure of the high, but I don't care. I don't like Pepe. Sorry. Sorry, Slav. Um, Stuck. Oh my God. I have nothing personal or subjective with any one of you guys, but you cannot be stuck if you follow setups, risk management, and clear plans. If you are stuck, then you are gambling. And this is not the way to trade. You'd better close the trades, go in a vacation, take some education. Uh, I have a long on rats on spot. I know. Rats. Take a vacation and don't touch trading. Yeah, I had this long here. Took partial already. It's risk free. Nothing. It's in a range. It's in a range. The wider the range, the better the breakout will be. Just my 2 cents. But I cannot take out from the equation the fact that we might sweep all the lows here. So if you're stuck, I don't know, you need to unstuck yourself. Um, but I don't know how to help on that regard. So most likely it will take the lows here, sort of power of 3, and then maybe we can see some upside momentum. Miro, I hate Miro too. Miro. I don't know, I just hate trading meme coins. They have rugged me so many times. They are worse than I had a plan here. Looks like it's following a little bit my plan. Well, we have a M, we have a W. This sort of a trend line is trying to hold here. So we are at potential support if we are looking this at this range lows. But for the sake of trading, when you have such an abrupt move to the downside, almost never the initial bounce is the last low, meaning this one. So especially on a weak coin like Miro, I mean, we are not speaking about AVAX or AVE or FTM or some coin that has a strong momentum or some intrinsic value. No, we speak about a shitcoin. Which is ranging. So most likely it can do a swing failure of the lows, including this too. Create a trend line, fake out, reclaim, and then go higher. So I don't see anything bullish right now on it. Maybe you can look at an LJ on 30 minutes, but then it depends on the time frame that you might look at. But not too many equal lows for my taste. Can you check NS? NS. It hits my blue line of resistance, seems like. Isn't this a sort of Ethereum network or something like that? I don't know. Maybe we'll have an initial stop here in the FEG, maybe. I see that we had sort of a fight here. I don't like it. A NEM. All right, maybe we can bounce here at the FEG. But I would like to play this kind of like ranges. When I see consolidation starting and equal highs and stuff like that, for me it's a range. So we have a confluence here. Yeah, we can have an initial bounce here in the pump chaser zone, but not necessarily that I like to take something here at POC. I'd rather focus on this W at value area low in the 61.8 around here and 200 EMA on 4 hours. I don't like it, to be honest. I'm not a fan of how it's looking. I'm not putting my hand on fire that we might bounce here. It's a good area to bounce, but too high, too fast right now. Let's go on the next one. Say, yeah, say. I have a setup on say. I'm sneezing. 1 second. Oh my God! I clicked mute on the last second. I almost destroyed your guys' ears. Um, I have a setup from here, along from here, but this is something else. It's on a weekly time frame. Let's hide that one. Let's go on 1 hour. On daily, actually. If you didn't, okay, go 30 minutes. And look what I see here. So on say, I see that Monday low is trying to reclaim. They are fighting Monday low. Yeah. Let's see, 1 hour, 2 hours, THG, 4 hours. 4 hours THG is still there. Was a little bit violated by this week's, but it's there. But I would like a little cheeky W here. Maybe a swing low of the lows here, a swing failure of the lows, reclaim, and this. This is a structure that I would take for the bullish side. We are fighting Monday low, and the thing is that tomorrow we have big news. What it might happen is actually for the market to just consolidate here and do absolutely nothing until tomorrow. And then tomorrow to have the real volatility incoming, have a uh, mm, have a liquidity manipulation. They're building liquidity everywhere. You can see that. You can see that even on total tree here. Yeah, they are building liquidity, equal highs, equal lows. I can easily see a swing failure of all these lows, and then reclaim higher. Uh, Everything is just consolidating. Everything. Okay. Even Ethereum, I can see a big dump here of $200 is not a big dump, but you get the idea. Taking all these lows and then full pedal to the upside. Uh, Equal highs. Now it's swept here, but you get the idea. Altcoins, they are dead for the moment. They are dead due to the fact that Bitcoin dominance is looking in the way that it looks. And also, if you want to see something interesting, look at the others. Yeah, others dominance. Look at this. We are rejecting 61.8 quite aggressively here. And we rejected this M neckline. So the dominance of altcoins is going lower. Yeah, we might retest this double here. It was retested once, but you can see we are consolidating this week to the downside. So it's looking like the dominance of altcoins might be doing some sort of an ABC correction here, a bull flag, maybe with swing failure this low, and retest this W, and then goes higher. But until then, they are still looking weak. I like to take a look at others' dominance because it's taking yeah, the dominance of altcoins. I mean, I do not care about the big ones necessarily. And also, you can we can take a look at uh, yeah, others total market cap, and we can see we rejected it perfectly here. The 4.6 chaos level, and previously we did the same here. You can see, and we had a big rejection. I don't see this one incoming that aggressively, but let's go lower time frame. I would like to see this high broken, and if we get an AB equals CD, yeah, we might see a breakout here. If we go on weekly, definitely other total tree is looking good. If we look at the previous week candle, you can see. In my point of view, uh, supply was flipped here. You can see the buying pressure coming from the supply area. So it's just a matter of time until we go higher and we are breaking this high. But it wants to build some liquidity. You can see equal lows, equal highs. OMC tomorrow. Well, what can go wrong? No? What can go wrong? Well, liquidations can go wrong, guys. All right. So for the real movement, I think we need to wait for Wednesday, for tomorrow. Until then, yeah, we can scalp, we can take some little trades here and there. The thing is that I don't think Ethereum and Bitcoin will be hit that hard by the news. Just my 2 cents. They prove to be really strong, and Ethereum, uh, solely speaking about Ethereum, let's make a coffee. It proved to be really strong. Um, but altcoins, man, if we get a week, they might be fucked. I need to take my. All right, but that would be a buying opportunity. Yeah, don't forget that we are close to the exponential move to the upside. It's just a matter of time. It's not a matter of if it will happen or stuff like that. It's a matter of time until we will get our 5 minutes of glory on altcoins. But be careful because it will be 5 minutes of glory. Bitcoin might have rallied for 2 years, but altcoins will not. And most likely they will be done in few months, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 months. All right. Curious if anyone posted any setup in the Discord. I see PJ mentioning about Pengu and Binance listing Pengu in 5 hours. Well, not bad. Not bad. I saw some people had information about Cat being listed on Binance. I don't know how do you get access to that sort of information. I mean, I know you need some insider kind of stuff, but that was a nice play here, a really nice play. About 30%, 40% pump. 60 actually, 80. Well, damn me. Yeah, can do anything with that one. Let's see, Peng USDT. Peng or Pengu? Pengu. Weird. Pudgy Penguins USDT. Whatever. All right, so someone asked me about Tao. I'm long Tao. Um, Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm long Tao. Tau, it's at do or die kind of line here. If it doesn't bounces of this area, it's kind of fucked. This might 2 cents. Let's go 12 hours. Yeah, 12 hours. You can see previously we had pretty nice bounces of a 200 EMA on 12 hours, and it reacted as nice resistance. So just my 2 cents. It should bounce around here. Yeah, that TAG is a little bit too much. We are at 78.6 fib. Channel lows. I think, yeah, we have to reclaim this POC. It's pretty important for the price action to reclaim the POC. Until then, we can consolidate a little bit more, but until we don't reclaim this POC, I think the price action will be pretty weak because big buyers, they just want some sign of strength. And looking at this for a 12-hour candle, man, this is ugly. It's just a flip off the range, meaning that they flipped POC. You can see this previous area of support, resistance. Now it's flipped, and most likely we will reject again here. Maybe swing failure the lows again, do a trend line, liquidity grab, reclaim, and then goes higher. But it's not looking the best, just my 2 cents. All right, let's get into some requests. Now it's weak, but I think it will have its 5 minutes and start performing really nicely. Tia. I think I have a long one, Tia. Yeah, I'm waiting for a sweep of this low on Tia. I have the alarm here at 61.8. So you can see for a lot of altcoins, I'm waiting for a dump. And that would be like a 6 to 10% dump. I'm waiting for that specific dump. Man, what I don't like about this kind of weeks is that you can see when the price is having them, we can have a nice bounce and then price is just slowly bleeding into that week. I hate this. Look at here. And it bores everyone to death. That's what I don't like. And that makes me think that we might see a longer consolidation, but hopefully it will not be like that. And tomorrow we can see a direction. But let's go lower time frame. You can see what I'm waiting for here. I'm waiting for a swing failure of the lows and then to position myself long. Target, I don't know, $12, something like that, or at least swing failure of the highs here. Definitely, I look for some sort of intraday time frame with a higher risk to reward ratio. And I will wait for some bullish structure or something like that around here. There is a discrepancy between Ethereum and altcoins. Even though when you think about it, you might say that, all right, but if Ethereum is strong, altcoins should follow. They should follow, but realistically speaking, lately we see that Ethereum wants to break this high here, which is the fifth one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, it's the fifth time when it tries to break this high, and it will break it eventually. It's just a matter of time, just a matter of when, not a matter of if. But you get the idea. And before breaking this high, we might get some liquidation cascade to create more liquidity. But it will be just a buying opportunity, just blabbing away. So high time frame, daily, weekly, TI, you said. Yeah, my mistake that I went into low time frame. Well, weekly is looking good. Yeah, weekly is looking good. Look at this weekly W. What can I say here? It's looking nice. It's at support. You just want to buy and wait and forget about it and just come back in, I don't know, January, March, April, something like that. You might want to come back. But right now it's looking good. We got a retest. As PJ mentioned on a live that I was speaking with him, This retest can take multiple weeks. So we can have multiple weeks of consolidation here at the retest of the breakout. Uh, I think we are entering on a time-wise capitulation. They want to bore you to death and sell your altcoins to death while they are slowly bleeding. You can see they are doing absolutely nothing. We have 1% profits or zero or -2. Yeah. So don't sell your altcoins right now. Don't um capitulate. 1 second. Because if we look at some targets for TIA, um, I think there are some profits that can be made here. So let's speak about the easy achievable level here at $16. That's 1.6x from what we are right now. And then if we speak about the next one, that will be 3.3x from where we are. So it's all right from my point of view. Just matter of time. Yeah, TIA unlocks or not, the buy pressure that will be coming in from the bull market, it will absorb. I mean, look at the hyper liquid. They had millions, hundreds of millions of airdrops and hundreds of millions of selling pressure, and they rallied, and people were selling. It was dumping and then rallying. People were selling, dumping, and rallying. So don't underestimate the power of buying pressure that can come from a bull market. The team was buying the hyperliquid, yeah, but the amount, the buying pressure that was coming in was absolutely insane. So don't forget about that. Man, Coinbase knows something because on Bitcoin I see Coinbase TWAPing like crazy. What Coinbase knows about Bitcoin? Dude, they are buying non-stop, non-stop, and Bitfinex is just TWAP selling. I don't know what these fuckers are doing here. Yeah, they're low positions. But look at Coinbase. Dude, they must know something. They must know something. Okay. Let me check Ethereum. Curious what how the data is looking for Ethereum. Don't forget, guys, to smash that like if you enjoy the stream. If you don't enjoy, it's all right. You don't need to like it. Ethereum. Wow, I like what I see on Ethereum. It's the first time that I opened the data for Ethereum. Man, spot, it's buying. Look at the spot. It's just a matter of time until we are flying with Ethereum. Look at spot. Perpetual is not interested, so I think it's just a cumulative delta here because the difference between spot and perpetual is pretty nice. And this move to the upside, it's spot driven, which is insane. I mean, look at this. This dump has reset. You can see the order flow was resetted here by the dump. A lot of futures perpetual have been closed and they have been stagnating. They are not interested in longing. But look at what spot did, accumulated. 1 second, let me check if anyone is TWAPing. Um, nice. I really like it. I really like it. BNB dot Ethereum. I like what I saw on Ethereum. Damn me. So right now, the best risk to reward I see it on Ethereum, guys. Call me crazy, but it's looking very good. It will blow up pretty soon, Ethereum. Just my 2 cents. So have some bags of Ethereum loaded. Don't wait too much. Don't sleep on it. Bot wise, this move it's looking insanely good. All right, let me catch up with what you guys said. I need to make an update on Discord. What about VET? I'll check it. BlackRock buying from Coinbase ETFs. I'm looking at AGGR dot trade, but you need to how you say it? You need to create the data there. You need to import it to make a. It's a little bit difficult. It's a template, stuff like that. Yeah. I mean, I wasn't expecting to look that good, Ethereum. And that's why I think that when this one will start, it took me some time to understand Ethereum. When I was trading, when I was learning how to trade, actually, I was speaking with PJ and he was saying, "Okay, I just aped." He was telling me I aped Ethereum, and I was like, "Why? Why did you ape Ethereum? Wait for the retest." And he was laughing. Ah, you wait for retest, yeah. Well, when Ethereum wants to go, um, you won't get too many chances of hopping in Ethereum. And now I totally get it. Well, it's not necessarily BlackRock or stuff like that, but imagine the thing that Bitcoin is at all-time high. I mean, not at all-time high. What I'm speaking about, it's making new highs every day. Yeah, it's making new highs every day. And Ethereum didn't even started to rally. We need to think about that one. Ethereum didn't even broke the all-time high. I was checking some heat maps. Maybe I get some interesting information from them. But man, it's looking good. It's looking good. And lots of room to the upside. Okay, let's get back to our horses. Exactly, PJ. Exactly. Plans and setups. We have a THG setup here. I'm long from yesterday on this one, which I posted on VIP. I'm long from here. I have literally, I have 3 accounts longs. Um, I didn't took the THG because I have this one, and I have a long from PJ from 3.1 thousand. So I'm all right with what I have. Um, so just play your setups. That's most important stuff. Let's get back on the request. I see Elso asked about vet. Mm, pressure vessel Ethereum has to follow sometime. Yeah. So vet. Let's check vet. Well, all the altcoins are looking kind of same, boring. Well, I don't want to. I mean, I'd like to see this fair value gap hit, but level by level, yeah. Yeah. Not a nice daily candle close here on vet. Not a nice one. This candle would better swing failure the Monday low and pump the fuck back up because it's not looking good. Where is the daily open? Yeah, it's exactly here at the price action, I think. You know, it's higher. Not looking good. We need to reclaim this blue line by the end of the day. Otherwise, it's looking like it just flipped the resistance SNR and it goes lower. So reclaim the blue line or see you bye bye here at a week low. So we should see a sweep of this one in the 61.8. I think I can see it with my naked eye. Yeah. So sweep of this equal lows in the 61.8, reclaim, and then consolidate above this blue line. Otherwise, it's pretty bad for the daily candle close. Pretty bad. Let's see. Yeah, they are just consolidating. I don't know if we will have any action until tomorrow, guys. I don't know. Even Bitcoin CME, if you look at Bitcoin CME, we had a gap and we didn't tap it. So 103,000, you can see here. I mean, previously we had gap and go. We had the fact that we had a gap and then market just went higher. We can have that one too. Yeah, I don't say it's impossible or anything like that. It can just go higher. But you can see that all the eyes are on Bitcoin right now. I'm still looking at Ethereum Bitcoin, but to be honest, I don't like this freaking equal lows that they are making here. And I start to believe that it's time-wise capitulations. Altcoins are just slowly bleeding the week. Ethereum Bitcoin does absolutely nothing in this range. Bitcoin goes higher. We get bored to death until I don't know when, but altcoins they will have their 5 minutes. So hold on tight. We have shit tons of equal lows here. And one more thing that I don't like about this chart is I looked at the data and I looked at Ethereum Bitcoin. It's a bit weird the fact that on Ethereum Bitcoin we had this week to the downside. Now we just consolidate the week. Um, and you can see it took all the liquidity, but it's only on Bybit. It's pretty weird. Signals, sir. Uh, yeah, I'm long Tau. I'm waiting for Aave. I'm waiting for, well, I'm already long Bitcoin. We are already long Ethereum. Which one? But it's not advisable to hunt too much before. I'm long Solana. I have two longs on Solana actually. It's not advisable to ape in too much I don't know if it's advisable to actually show any position before 4MC. Because if I'll take a stop loss, okay, I'll take 1, so 0.5, 1, 1.5, maybe. Let's say that I'll take a 1.5 or 2% hit. But then I'll hear that, oh my God, I just lost all my account due to that stupid. Well, guys, what I'm doing here, I'm executing my plans, my trades. Nothing. It's a financial advice, and no one should follow what I'm doing. It's just for education and entertainment purpose. The thing is that if you want to trade like a professional, you have to respect the risk management like a professional, and you have to act like one. Um, you forgot to take the Solana long, Christy? Yeah, we are long. I said for 3 days I'm speaking about these positions. I think Solana is ready. Yeah, not a problem. You can go on TAG. I'm looking at TIA for potential swing failure of the lows here. Maybe, maybe. Some sort of power of three. But yeah, and same stuff with VET. Maybe a swing failure of the lows. Exactly. Also, exactly. We are here for education. Actually, if you really want a professional trading environment, guys, no fuck around and just my 2 cents. What we are trying to do here. It's actually to make you, not make you, but uh, create everything that you need. You don't need any other Discord, just my 2 cents. If you want to go for the full tier, if you want to get and scalp with me on the VIP, then you will access everything from the Discord, and you'll have access to low time frame scalping. And let me show you what low time frame scalping means. Go on 3 minutes. Low time frame scalping is this. And I know some people took these trades with me. This was posted before entry, wasn't necessarily low time frame scalping, but we are focusing to give absolutely everything. Absolutely everything. Yeah. So same stuff with Ethereum long. You can see here, this was the Ethereum long which I posted way before getting an entry, and this is a scalp on Bitcoin here. Yeah. So if you want scalping, yeah, you can join VIP. You can start learning with me because it's not about doing what I'm doing. It's about learning and getting better day by day. That's my main focus. Consistency is what brought me here. Because guys, I don't know if I have a snippet right now, but guys, I was risking $1. I was making profits $1, $2 a day. That's how I started. And I just did this for more than 2 years, 600 days. I didn't skip a day. If it's something that I learned from Paul, is the consistency, guys. Consistency is what will make you profitable. So if you want education, if you want investments, we have 4 plans of investments. We have swing trades, we have scalps, daily trading sessions, absolutely everything that you might need. Mint coins, degen stuff like that. And especially learning the learning curve on Capua 1 and Capua 2, which it's giving you access to VIP. So if you want VIP, you can join Capua 2. Yeah, we are long, PJ. We are long. Time to pay attention for me. Well, you are already wrong, but I think what you are thinking. I'm thinking what you are thinking is that you will increase your position by lowering uh, by hiring your stop loss to the W for one scalp in order to have a really nice risk to your ratio for a Degen account. That's what I'm thinking that you're thinking. As I know you really well. I think you have a swing trade and you have some Degen position which you are trying to snipe. Yeah, indeed. It's a good plan because you can catch an insanely nice risk to reward ratio, guys. This would be a 23 risk to reward. Give me a 23 each day and I can take 10 times this trade, and if one time it will be profitable, well, I made the money. This is trading. This is trading. And moreover, we do not accept fucking around, LARPing, and crap like that, you'll see. And sometimes I'm amazed about the fact that the power of that PJ has to kick everyone that is not behaving. It's insane. More people are getting kicked each day than people who are joining and staying. It's crazy. Oh my god. Uh, I think the Discord would have been 5 times our current uh, member count. But I have to confess that I never saw a Discord so clean, so well focused on setups, on quality information. I never saw something like that. Let's make some money on Solana, guys. It's looking ready. It's looking ready. If you're not exposed, I don't know, then it's not my fault or PJ's fault. I mean, we spoke about this trade for so long. Yeah, you can get the 5 minute stage. You can give it a little bit more time here. Well, what we should speak about more. We have some setups. We did some reviews. Next, now we wait for the take profit or the stop loss. I really don't care. How he's saying to the moon. Yeah. Well, someone was asking how did I get these trades, and the simple answer is consistency, guys. If you're not consistent, you will not make Pareto work. So Pareto principle says that 80% of the times I will make trades which are okay, like this one, a 2 to 1, a 3 to 1. If I'll be consistent enough, I will give Pareto the chance to give me those 20% juicy setups like this one, meaning that 20% of the time you will get those trades which are really making up for your portfolio, and they are bringing the average to the upside. While 80% of the time you'll be, I don't know, break even, slightly profitable and stuff like that. But in order to make this thing work, you need to be consistent, 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 consistent. This is the key. If you're not consistent, then it's okay for us. I mean, I cannot force you to be consistent, but at least focus on investment, higher the time frame and stuff like that. So I'm still amazed on how good is looking Ethereum on 1 hour. The data, I mean, yeah, the CVD, the spot buying pressure. As I didn't look at it. And it's crazy that spot, no, perpetual is not caring about Ethereum anymore. I don't know. I think they will wake up once they will wake up once we will break the highs. I mean, look at the perpetual here. Spot is going nice. 1 second. I need to look at something. Yeah, this was what I was looking at. So no one is interesting on looks like no one from Perpetual is interested on Ethereum. That's good. That's good. Doo-doo-dum. Well, for real, I don't know how you manage to, but I know. I mean, I know how you manage. Uh, but it's insane the quality that of people that uh, are on CTA. I absolutely love it. Big congrats. Man, I feel on okay. What was the take profit on Solana? 304. Let's see. $300. Well, not bad. I'll make a nice profit if it hits $300. Nice profits. Nice. I wanted to ask PJ to post once against Solana, but I think we posted Solana. I think we posted trades from uh 13 December. 5 days, 4 days continuously we spoke about Solana. The fact that it will break out and the fact that you might want to have some bags of so so yeah, I don't know. We cannot trade for you. That's the idea. If you want to be consistent and prove yourself, because you're not proving anything to anyone, just to yourself, that's the thing. You are proving to yourself. Nice W on 1 hour. All right. Any other requests, guys? We are already 1 hour and something into the live stream. Well, seems like altcoins they are. Look at Tia. What's happening? I think Total Tree it tries to do something. Yeah, Total Tree tries to W out here. Not bad. 4 hour is looking good. This is a clear bot setup. I'm still waiting for it to fire. This is why I position myself long on altcoins. Um, this is a clear as day setup. Yeah. So we should pump into here. Nero, if time on lower time frame. I absolutely hate meme coins. Maybe I'm old fashioned. I had a long here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's take it. Yeah. Ugly. Well, you could have said that we have a power of 3 here, but power of 3 would have meant that we hold this blue line, which we didn't. Right now we are way below here. No, thank you. You are short, I think, or what? What to trail? What long to trail? I think you are short, or yeah, I don't know. It can pump from here, but it's looking ugly. Yeah, it can easily pump, but I'm not a fan of how of the way it looks, to be honest. I'm sorry. 152. Ah, you scalped it on really low time frame in 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. These equal lows, I don't like them. It will bleed to zero. I think I posted about that one 2, 3 months ago, and I said this is the top around here. I took a stop loss here. Seems like um I was too. I saw this equal lows here in the 78.6 potential bounce area. But I'm not going to give names, but a person, I think that person will bring the top on meme coins. Just my 2 cents. When one person, it's I mean with other people, they are cooperating, they are putting the control on the supply of coins, like a big amount, and like 5% of the whole supply on a lot of coins. I don't know if that it's a good signal. I don't think it's a good signal. What is this blue line here? Because it seems like it has good, it had good impact on, on our long here. Ah, daily Monday low, yeah. So Popcat, let it go to zero. I don't know, 61.8. What 61.8? You can look at 78.6 actually because it's so swing failure of the equal lows here, 0.8, something like that. Let it bleed to zero. My eyes on Solana now. I took a 5 minutes THG too, just to have some skin in the game. 5 minute stop loss with a 1 minute entry. What the heck have I clicked? All right. Can you check IO USDT? I think PJ checked this one. It's okay. M on daily, down, up. uh, 4 hours. We are at preliminary support here. You can see this previous area of support in the pop chaser zone at 0.5 fib. Not looking bad. I wouldn't bid this area necessarily. Let's see, 15 minutes. Nah, still downtrend, clear as day. Lower lows, lower highs. Nothing clean here, to be honest. Maybe you want to wait for a potential 61.8 here. At this SNR, you can see. Maybe. Until then, you just want to wait. Don't want to expose capital here. So no, thank you. I don't like it. If you're long from the bottom, yeah, hold it. because we might see a nice AB equals CD at some point. But until then, we can see a bot setup forming if we are starting to consolidate here, something like that, but not yet. NJ, let's check NJ. NJ. I guess the time frame I'm picking it myself. Well, nice reclaim here. Let's see this one too. Yeah, it's holding the S&R daily. Yeah, 4 hour. Man, I hate when someone is asking me about the time span. Can do that in 15 minutes and 36 seconds. Sorry to say that, but don't enter market. You have the TAG indicator. I think you are on. No, have the TAG. Just wait for an entry on the TAG. Ah, this order block, I think you mean here. Yeah, I think it has chances to retest it. The 217. It has chances even to retest this big YW. No, it was retested here. But maybe you hunt a FEG violation here. Maybe. So hunt with the TAG. Energy. Someone asked me about energy. This one I think wants to bore you to death. I know. This is a bully structure usually, but it's catching falling knives. If you want to take this W, maybe. Let's check a 61.8. I can see some equal lows forming here, and I don't think Monday low was swept, so no sweep of Monday low. Yeah, so my thoughts are in the right direction. So you can see we are consolidating here. We can see sort of a power of 3 in the fair value gap plus breaker here, 61.8 manipulation, and then go higher. So not a bad idea actually here. Let's put an alarm here. Stop loss would be around here. 3.98, not bad. Let's make it 4. There we go. So yeah, it's looking nice on 1 hour. RSR, let's see, weekly, monthly, where we are, what are we doing? Oh, ugh, ugly, ugly. Sorry. Well, weekly we take it as support. I'd say this area, but we'll see. Daily. Well, after it pumped, guys, stop chasing this kind of pumps. It pumped almost 2x, almost 200%. Do you think that it will pump straight from this area again 200%, or it will start consolidating? It will take some time. Trap some people, some long, some short, create liquidity and then reverse. Most likely we'll have a sideways range here, swing failure maybe, and then reclaim. 1 hour, a range, equal lows, equal highs. Maybe the same setup that I'm speaking about on most of the altcoins, potential power of 3 here. Swing failure of these lows in the 61.8 and here equal lows, maybe. And then target here the range highs, but this is a internal liquidity range play, like lower time frame. We are speaking about this one. So you can execute on 15 minutes and make some profits here. The bigger picture, no, the bigger picture, no. Ronin. That was a good one. Yeah, it's a funny one, but I don't think it is the place to speak about this one here. Someone, because this one I think has Ru on. Yeah, I don't know. But someone said, yeah, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, we had the retest here. Nice candle close. This is demand. Ah, goat triggered. I wait 1 second, guys. Goat. Yeah, goat triggered. Inverse head and shoulder. Why didn't you? Well, why didn't you? No, it's not. It's not inverse head and shoulder was invalidated here, but nonetheless, we have the 15 minutes potential W breaking out here. So up to you. Let me check something. Where's the THG? Yeah, I think I'll use the 5 minutes THG stop loss just for some more safety. 61.8. I will be 3.66 R. Yeah, that's all right. I'm all right with that risk to reward ratio. Yeah, thanks PJ for reminding about this one. I know you were hunting it in the crypto daily crypto review. If you can post please on VIP or premium. All right. All right, I took my entry. Um, so guys, let's wrap it up. Goat long, Solana long, Tau long. Oh, look at this reclaim with a nice W. Guys, if you're not long on Tau, you might want to long. Look at this 1 hour W, beautiful one. So just my 2 cents. We swept all the liquidity in the 61.8 channel lows, blah blah blah. Up to you. The setup is there. I cannot take it for you. Ethereum, I'm long. What is the target for Ethereum? Once more to repeat. 4.3. This is the target of DAB equals CD. TIA potential long, so Solana, Tau, TIA, Ethereum. I don't know, guys. I think it's enough for a day that it precedes. Yeah, tomorrow we'll have OMC. Be careful. We might see. And say, yeah, we have enough longs. Just my 2 cents. Be careful with total exposure. Try to get risk free. So try to get risk free by the New York session. I think PJ will make it public. So if you want to join the New York trading session, all you have to do is get on Discord on the free part, get verified. Yeah, click that button. I know some people think that it's too much to click on one button, but you need to click on a button to get verified. And that's it. You can join the New York trading session. And I think PJ will make some updates on the trades that we took this morning. I don't think he will make an update on mine, but yeah, he will speak about maybe Solana, Goat. I took Seitu, Tao, up to you. Yeah, plenty of trade idea. And I saw he was discussing about 50 minutes THG on Ethereum. You can take this W if it fires. Plenty of setups. All you have to do now is just focus on executing properly the take profits. Don't fuck around with the trades. Don't try to think that you will get rich on one trade. It's stupid. It won't happen. You won't make it. Level by level, execute slowly. Don't fuck around. Execute your plan and be really focused on the trades that you took. Don't gamble stupidly. If you don't know how to do this stuff, I would recommend to stop trading if you don't know how to calculate position size and stuff like that. Because when you are trading, all the odds are against you. The market has all the odds against you winning the trades. What that means? It means that if there are 99 things that can go wrong, well, 99 things will go wrong, most likely. The only one that can modify that percentage is you by educating yourself, by having a plan, and so on. So if you really want to start trading and getting good at this, we are here. It's up to you if you want to lose the money to the market or invest in yourself with education. If you want to get a trader, a day trader, a scalper, and do this as a job, as a daily job, which I'm not considering a job, I absolutely love doing this. You can join Capua too. If you are more of a swing trader, investor, then you can join Capua 1 and start learning how to frame the market professionally, not fucking around. If you just want a high quality community, day in, day out, have live streams, look at the charts, look at setups, stuff like that, we are here. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll hear you in the New York trading session. Bye bye.